Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another Forex trading live session. Please, once you join us, let's know your name and where you're joining us from. And let's get your name and where you are joining us from, okay? If you know somebody that should be here that is not here, let them know that we are live and we have started, okay? Good morning. Once you join, please share the link. Once you join us, please go ahead and share the link. Once you join us, go ahead, share the link. Once you join us, go ahead, share the link. It's slow today. If our network is generally slow, I think like everywhere. So we'll just make do what we have today. So please, once you join, share the link. Let everybody know that we are live and we have started, okay? Share the link to your friends, your family, every trader you know on your contact list. Let them know that FXDaddy is live and we are about to kill the markets. All right. All right. Is the video breaking on your end? Please, if the video is breaking on your end, please, you guys should let me know. All right. Oh, I'm excited. I'm hopeful it's going to be a very, very fruitful day for us today. Hopefully, it's going to be a very, very fruitful day for every one of us today. Okay. So please, once you join, share the link with as many people on your contact as possible. Let everybody know we are live. We'll be going straight into the chat this morning. And hopefully, we're going to milk the market this morning. All right. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go make some cool bucks. So please invite friends, invite family. We just started and it's going to be an amazing session today. I already have some currency pairs I'm looking at. Some of them I looked at them yesterday and they are forming pretty good. So hopefully we're going to be pulling the trigger um, this morning, or maybe put up some pending orders this morning. So please let everybody know that we are live, okay? Share the link, guys. Share the link. Is the video breaking? Please, if it's breaking, let me know. Somebody says video is breaking. Oh boy, can't hear your voice clearly, but the video isn't moving. Please restart. It's breaking. It's breaking. Ah, boy. Network is a bit. It's really terrible right now. I think everywhere in Nigeria right now, network is just very much messed up. But let me see. Maybe if I can switch. Let me see. Maybe switching the network might do better. Let me switch to Airtel and see if the network is going to be better. All right, so please let me know if the video is back. Let me know if the video is back on your end, guys. Apologies for network is quite terrible right here. So please let me know if the video is back, guys. If it is, so that we can continue. And as you must have noticed, my video is not that bright. I'm using Office system to make this work because they're still working on trying to fix up my own personal PC. Just a lot of stories, and I really have a lot of files on that particular system. But all the same, I've been quite busy. I've not even been there like more than once. But it's all good. We'll make do what we have. Okay, so please, um, once you join us, make sure you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Let's go. I'm about to step into the charts right now so that we can start making some money. All right. So hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready. Let's go. Let's go make mama proud. Let's go make mama proud. All right. Let's go make mama proud. If you're ready, type ready. Type I'm ready on the chat. If you're ready, type I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Type I'm ready on the chat. Let's go. If you are ready, type I'm ready on the chat. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Network is just too terrible. Like there are only few there are maybe about three things I hate in this life more than very slow network. I don't think they're up to three things I hate as much as I hate slow network. It just messes me up. It messes it just messes up my mind. I've practically lived on data. So anyway, it's all good. Um let's see how far we can go with this today. Okay. All right. So if you're okay, I can see you guys typing. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right. So 1 minute. Let me do some stuff over here, and then we move straight to the charts. But anyway, how has the market been for you guys this week? How has the market been for you guys this week? Has the market been friendly, or is the market trading you, or are you trading the market? Because lately, I know people that the market has been trading. I know people that the market has seriously been trading them. So, which category do you fall in? Are you trading the market, or is the market is the market trading you? Please, let's know. Let's know, so we know how to help you today. So I'll know how to help some of you today. Are you trading the market, or is the market trading you? Somebody said I've been killing it. Amazing. Yusuf said the market has been trading me. Okay, fantastic. All right, so let's go. So for those of you joining us for the first time, we do this every Thursday. Every Thursday we come on live here to trade the market live. I give out my live analysis, and I also share trading signals with every one of you, and I also teach Forex live here on this channel every Thursday. So we've been doing this for about a year and maybe 3 months now. I know it has always been amazing every single time. So how we normally have trades before we go into the market. Number one is My strategy might differ from your strategy or your mentor strategy. So we must not trade the same strategy to make money in Forex. So if I'm doing something that doesn't make any sense to you, it's cool. It doesn't make it's okay. Okay, feel free to enjoy your own strategy while I do mine. Okay, and that brings us to the second disclaimer, which is the fact that our win rate is 70%, 75% thereabout, between 70 and 75%. So that means that 70% of the time I make analysis would definitely be correct. 30% of the time we might not be correct. Okay, or the market might just move to another direction. And that brings us to the final disclaimer, which is the fact that you must know you shouldn't risk all your money in one single trade. It doesn't make sense. It's not wise. It's not a cool thing to do. So as much as possible, only take trades that it's okay, and enter with lot sizes that are okay for your account. All right. So that said, let's move to the market. Give me the energy. As you guys know, give us the energy. Let's put the energy up before we move to the market. So if you're ready to make money with us, type on the chat, money must be made. Type in on the chat, money must be made. Type that on the chat. Let's go. Type that on the chat. It's an affirmation we do every single time we want to go into the market. We want to affirm, we want to agree that we are here for profits, nothing else but profit. So go ahead, type on the chat right now, money must be made. Money must be made. Money must be made. Type down the chat, money must be made. Let's go. Somebody asking, where's your training center in Abuja? We are in Gudu district in the city of Abuja, very close to the central area as you're moving from Gariki and all. So money must be made. Amazing. All right, fantastic. So let's move to the market. Let's see what we can do today. So our live trading sessions are a combination of both teaching and setups. Okay, so we're doing the analysis while I'm also teaching. If I see something that I think I need to teach you about, I would go ahead and do that. If I see something I need to talk to you guys about, some form of counsel, advice, whatever you choose to call it, I would of course give you that. Okay, so and also if you have some questions generally about Forex that you want to ask, feel free to drop down in the comment section, and so that I can attend to your questions while we're doing this. Okay, so that said, let's go. So let's start analysis today with Euro GBP. Now Euro GBP, I already have some structures here, as you can already see. Let me take this moving averages out of the way. So I'm a day trader. Basically, I do much less of scalping, much less of swing trading. I'm basically a day trader, so I look for trading opportunities anywhere between 30, 50, 100 pips in a day, and then I'm in and out of the market. So my strategy is a day trading strategy. So, and from a daily time frame perspective, from what we're seeing here, we see that this market is typically still very much on an uptrend. Now, if you guys have followed me last, especially those that came to the floor, our live trading floor on last 2 weeks, sorry, I mentioned this gap when the market was somewhere at around this level, or I think somewhere around here actually. When the market was still somewhere around this level, I mentioned to you guys that this market would definitely come back to cover up this gap, because when the market opened on Monday morning, as of Monday, the 10th of June 2024, the market opened with this huge gap. And I told you guys that this market would definitely come back to fill this gap, because every time there are gaps in the market, it creates some form of imbalance where the market always comes back to fill the gap. That happened exactly a few days later, and the market has fully closed up that gap, as we're seeing with this red candle, and the market is about to tumble on its head. However, my strategy going into Euro GBP on this particular trade is simply to look out for where the liquidity levels are, the most obvious liquidity levels, which is what I've marked out here. This whole zone, let me make it a bit easier to see. So this whole level right here is a very valid liquidity zone that I'm very much interested in, because there's a lot of liquidity lying around here. So that's why you see me putting a pending order here. I've not executed this trade though, but however, I just put it so that once I'm ready, I'll just once I look at the price action, it makes all the sense in the world to me, then I impute my trade on this. But this is what my pending order looks like right now. Is a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Risking 20 pips on this trade to make about 40 pips if this works out very well. So on a 4-hour time frame, the chart pattern is actually not giving me the kind of vibes I'm looking out for, because when the market was doing this thing from this level was when I put this pending order. So I was expecting this very sharp move into this liquidity level. I was thinking the market would just the same way with this energy was moving up. I was expecting it to move with that same energy. Then maybe I'll drop the market all the way from there, all the way from here. Okay, but with the current price action of this currency pair right now, I'm a bit skeptical about still executing this trade. I just need to watch it, see how it goes. So the price action is not really giving me what I'm looking out for. If you know anything about sentiment in the market, as regards candlestick sentiment, let me put it that way, you'll see that this candlestick pattern is really not giving the kind of energy that will drop this market from here, because we're seeing the market coming over here, grabbing a lot of liquidity all the way from here. This liquidity below this level, you can see the market has already dipped into that liquidity and is already firing up. So unless this market gives a very sharp move into the zone, just a sharp movement like this, then I'll be interested. But if it's anything, maybe if the market does something like this instead, if the market does something like this into the zone, bro, I ain't selling from here. I'm not going to be selling anymore from here. Okay, so until the market gives a very sharp move into that liquidity level, then I'll be very much interested to actually sell this market. So for now, I'm not interested in selling this market just yet. Okay, all right. Somebody said I texted on Facebook to register, no reply yet. Sorry. Somebody will definitely reply you. There are tons of messages that keep coming in, so we just try to attend to the messages one at a time. So somebody will definitely reply you going forward. All right, so let's look at Euro GBP USD. GBP USD lost me some money yesterday. I was hoping that this liquidity right here was going to hold, but the market went ahead to grab both liquidities from here, grabbed from here, and also grabbed from here. And I'm a bit positive that a drop from this level would happen anytime soon. A drop from this level would happen anytime soon. Now, if you look at a daily time frame on this, this is like the deal breaker for those that want to go in for a sell. This level right here is like the deal breaker. You have a break above this structure right here, then you should give up on trying to sell this market. Definitely. I was with my students yesterday at the trading floor. We discussed GBP USD in detail. We had some guy that was very good at SMC come around, so he was trying to give us some form of commentary on this trade. He mentioned that the trade was actually going to buy. I was favoring a sell, but however, of course, the market finally bought. But however, the reason for that is quite obvious. The reason being that the market has first of all liquidated here the first time. I was hoping that liquidity was going to still hold again, that this level was going to become a very strong resistance and push the market when the market comes to this level. This was a level where I put in a sell. Somewhere around this level, hoping that this level would give me what I was looking out for. We already made some money on this the first time the market did this. I was hoping that this market will come over here, give me another second liquidity grab, and then push all the way down. But the market broke the second structure, and the market is sitting somewhere around this level. And I'm quite still positive that this market might still drop. Although with the price action I'm seeing, if we move down to 1 hour time frame, the price action becomes a bit clearer until we get a break below this level. Let me show you what I'm looking out for right now. Until we get something like this, let's say the market let me use a rectangle to show you this. So unless we see this market do something like this, this being a blue candle, if we see this being a blue candle, I'll be very much interested in buying this, selling this market from this level. Okay, but that depends on what the price action looks like. I just wanted to see a very sharp red not blue, sorry. What did I just do? Red candle, sorry guys, not blue. Red candle. It needs to be a very strong red engulfing candle. It needs to engulf like 3 or 4 candles, and with this any retracement, a little retracement back to this level, I'm selling right there. This is where I'm going to sell, somewhere here. If this red candle happens, I'm going to sell from here. So you can do a screenshot of this and watch this for yourself. If this happens, very encouraging for yourself. Okay, because on a daily time frame also, let me give you another confluence to this. On a daily time frame also, this tarries with around 61.8. I've not put a Fibonacci on this, but I'm just barely looking at it. I think this market would be sitting around 61.8 or somewhere a little above it. If we put a Fibonacci on this, let's see whether I'm correct on that. So put a Fibonacci on this level. Okay, so where are we sitting at? As you can see, we are sitting at the 61.8 level. Let me clear all this so that you can see very well. So we're approaching a 61.8% level on a Fibonacci on a daily time frame on this. So I'm very confident that unless the market decides to go forward and then liquidate this level, also this structure over here, this market looks pretty much to me like it's going to sell here. And also the candlesticks also, if you look at a daily time frame perspective, with this candlestick, with the momentum is moving into this resistance level, this supply level, I'm very confident that this sell might happen from here if we get this red candle, especially on the 4-hour time frame. So keep your eyes peeled. GBP USD might be a very good setup for us to relax and enjoy the weekend. Okay, I've already made some money this week already, and even if this doesn't work out, this week has been very, very fruitful for me. All right, so let's check on NZD USD. Now, if you have any currency pair that you want us to analyze together, please go ahead and type down the chat. We analyze currency pair. Or let me put it this way, please. If you have any currency pair that you think we should analyze, I already see, maybe you're seeing a setup already, so you don't go calling random currency pairs. If you have any currency pair you're seeing a setup, maybe you're seeing a sell opportunity or buy opportunity, you can mention it. We'll analyze it together, because this is a live trading session, it's a community trading session. Okay, so we can analyze it together. If it makes sense, then we'll call a signal on that. Or even if it doesn't make sense to me, I'll just let you guys know that it doesn't make sense to me. But if it makes sense to you, of course, go ahead. The good thing about the lovely thing about Forex is the fact that we must not all use the same strategy. Okay, your strategy might be saying buy, my own might be saying sell. Like I just told you guys yesterday, somebody on the floor was telling us, giving us a momentary buy on GBP USD. I was favoring a sell, and I can confidently say that the guy was correct, and he came in for a live session. Definitely wanted to learn something from me, but his analysis at the time, as of yesterday, was I can say much more correct than mine. But that doesn't, it doesn't mean that he's a better trader than myself. It doesn't mean I'm a better trader than him, but we all have different analyses. Depends on what makes sense to you at the time, and your win rates, you always be profitable. Okay. So you have a currency pair they want us to look at, please let me know. All right, so gold. You guys have come again with gold. Rest it, Kwano. No, you guys should rest with gold. You guys should rest with gold. One of the funniest thing I see about people trading gold is the fact that if the people winning in Forex if the percentage is, let's say, 10%, the percentage of people winning with gold is like 2%. But they just love gold. I don't know why you guys love gold that much, but I don't trade gold. I only analyze gold for people that want to trade it too. So disclaimer: whatever I'm going to do for you guys on gold now, I'm not trading it with you. I don't like gold. I don't trade gold. I feel like gold requires a lot of fundamental analysis to properly trade it on the long term. Unless you just want to do hit and run, just want to trade, make money today, and run away from gold, for the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But if you want to do something sustainable, gold might not really be your best option. You can consider other currency pairs. That's my advice. So that's my 2 cents. I might be wrong. Now, looking at gold has been on this range, which might break at any point right now, because I'm seeing a lot of gap from all the way from this level. This whole place is a very attractive, very, very attractive, very, very attractive level for the market to drop through. Very, very attractive from what I'm seeing. That zone is very attractive. So a drop might happen on gold very soon. I don't know when, but it might happen. But however, momentarily, you can actually still keep buying gold. Let me look where the liquidity levels are. I'm seeing a liquidity block below here. I'm seeing one here. And of course, there's this very obvious one um, around here. Okay. So these are two levels I'll be interested in doing anything as regards gold. And with the price action here, this gold might just drop very soon. Gold might just drop very soon, considering these structures I'm seeing here and this current. Because as you can see, this whole move from this level from here to here is in a bit to fill this gap. Look at all this gap that was created. This fair value gap that was created all the way from this level. The market has come to fully fill that gap. Okay, so a drop might happen very soon on gold, in which case, if it happens, I'm pretty much confident that this drop might happen all the way to this level, this structure over here. So if you're buying gold right now, you might be doing something wrong. I'll typically advise that you wait for a sell to happen. You can target that on a 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to a 15 minutes time frame. I don't usually go 15 minutes time frame, but for the sake of those trading gold, let me see what a 15 minutes time frame is saying. Now, if you get a break, if I was trading gold, I would typically wait for a break below this structure. If we get a comfortable break below this structure, let's say something like this happens, and then the market gives a feedback into this level, this is definitely where I would love to be selling gold from. So we need to get a break below this structure. Let's see a 1 hour time frame also. On the 1 hour time frame, by the time that market breaks below the structure, the market would have been comfortably below a 20 moving average, which is my confirmation indicator. Then if we get a comfortable break below this 15 minutes time frame, bro, sell gold. Okay, so that's my analysis on gold. I mean, that's my 2 cents on gold. I'm not going to trade this with you guys, but feel free to trade it if makes sense to you. All right. So I can see we have how many people in the house so far. Amazing. So currently we have over 113 people in the house today. I'm excited. I still owe you guys giveaway. I keep forgetting it. I still owe you guys giveaway. Oh. I really still owe you guys giveaway. I'm just thinking of how best to do that. You guys can suggest sometime. Maybe you guys really give away. Maybe 20,000 for 5 people or 50,000 for 2 people. Either way, but I'm owing you guys giveaway. I promise you. Okay, so you guys can give me suggestions on how you think we can do that giveaway on Instagram. Okay. All right, so back to the charts. Let's go back to the chart. So that's my 2 cents on gold. Somebody's saying we should analyze. Somebody's asking how much to register for your trading academy. We have 2 registration plans: 3 months, 1 year, lifetime. 3 months is $100. 1 year is $175, and lifetime is $250. With a lifetime package, you're getting access to both physical classes and also everything you're getting online training for a lifetime. Okay, both our live trading sessions, private sessions, master classes. We do master classes every single, like 2 times a month, and we do live trading sessions 2 times every single week. So consider joining. All right, so let's go. Somebody mentioned Eurocard. Somebody mentioned Eurocard. I can see my guy on the chat, Mr. Oko Emmanuel. Greetings to you, Chief. You don't want to come back to Abuja again, or you've left us, so better come back or wherever you. My guy, come to Abuja and see us. So, Mr. Emmanuel Oko, come to Abuja and see us. All right. We don't too miss you for our trading floor. You need to come and take one of our live trading sessions these days. Eurocard. So let's look at Eurocard. Now we made some money on Eurocard. That was 2 days ago. I made some very good money on Eurocard 2 days ago. The market just took out my TP and straight started moving up. So I mean, it gave me some money over here. But let's see what the market has for us now. Now, on the daily time frame perspective, oh wow, this is really a very sweet setup. Whoever mentioned Eurocard, I think you're you're a very good trader. So Eurocard is giving very positive buys for a sell. Bro, this is good. Looking very sweet. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see whether we get our entries. Amazing. So I'm seeing a very obvious block of sweet liquidity lying somewhere at around this level. Okay, this is good. Whoever mentioned Euro CAD, you're a good trader. You're a good trader. Oh, fantastic. In fact, we even have pre-liquidity level, which this level is a very good place for the market to trap in some early sellers. And then this is where we're going to get into this trade. So I'll call a trade, I'll call a signal on this right now. Let me put my entries on Euro CAD. If this level we're looking at gets liquidated, that's a very sweet sell going to happen from all the way from here. This is the level we're looking at right here. So I'll give you guys the correct coordinates. I just want to put a pending order and see what the risk to reward is to just be sure that it's a good trade. So ATR is about 7 pips, so we can confidently use a 25 pips risk to reward on this. We'll be very safe with the 25 pips risk to reward, and we can comfortably do a 1:2 1:2 on this. 1 minute, guys. Let me fix some stuff. I'll be back. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, all right, guys. Sorry, guys, we're back. We need to fix something very quick. So we're risking 25 pips on this. I'll give you guys the correct entries and exits, the stop loss, the take profit, but we're risking 25 pips on Euro CAD, and I'm very excited that it's going to be a very good trade. Okay, so let's see how that goes. I'll give you towards the end, we have like 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. So towards the end, in about 20 minutes, I'll give you guys the correct entries. So let me go ahead and mark Euro CAD as one of our entries for today. So that's one. Let's check on GBP CAD. Let's see what's happening on GBP CAD. Now, from a daily time frame perspective on GBP CAD, this is even looking sweeter than Euro CAD. This is actually looking more sweeter than Euro CAD because I'm seeing a lot of gap to the downside, bro. GBP CAD is looking sweet. Okay, now this is the problem. Now our block levels are a bit okay. I think we're going to do an instant entry. Let me check to be sure every other thing is right. 1 minute, guys. Let me first of all clear the news. Let me be sure that we don't have any hindrances in today's, because I'm thinking of instead of doing a penny or this might be an instant, or I'm seeing the candlestick patterns I'm looking for. I'm also seeing the kind of setup, the market structure I'm looking out for. So I'm very positive that an instant sell on this would be okay. Now this is quite good. I'm seeing the liquidity has been sufficiently grabbed from the levels I'm looking at. Now, sorry guys, I might not go into details into what exactly I'm looking out for, but let me. Okay, guys, I think we're going in for an instant sell on GBP to the CAD. A lot of confluences are coming in with what I'm seeing. A lot of confluences are coming in. Let me see what the risk to reward looks like. Now, if we're going in on GBP CAD, of course, we'll not be taking a trade on Euro CAD again because they are correlated. You guys should know this. ATR is 8 pips. 8 pips, then 32. So we're looking like 35 pips risks, 35 pips in stop loss. And let's see how far this can go. Okay, yes, we can do risk reward 2 on this. Guys, we're selling GBP CAD, guys. I'm calling a signal on GBP CAD right now. We are going in for a sell on GBP to the CAD. Sorry, I'm not giving you guys all the details of my entries, why I enter, because that's some of the things that we teach at the mentorship program. So it won't be very nice to spill out everything. So, but however, I'm seeing a sales setup, a very valid sales setup on GBP CAD right now. So we're selling GBP CAD, you're risking 35 pips. Our entries, we're entering right now. Stop loss is at 1.74155. 1.74155. That's for stop loss. Sorry, guys, let me sell first before I start. 1 minute, guys. Let me calculate my entry. I usually don't have much of I usually don't do much of instant execution. My trades are usually pending orders, but what I'm seeing on GBP CAD, I'll be doing more of instant. This is an instant entry opportunity for me, for my style of trading. Okay, so let me calculate my risk to reward, and we're risking 35 pips. GBP CAD, we are selling GBP CAD. We are selling GBP CAD. We are selling GBP CAD. Here's the card. 1.362. 1.3624. We are selling GBP CAD 35 pips. 1.83. We are selling GBP CAD. We are selling GBP to the CAD. Let me look at a 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Yes, we are selling GBP CAD. Makes sense. It's been a little while I did instant execution. It's been a little while. My orders are usually pending orders, but this is looking very good for an instant execution. We're selling NZD CAD, GBP CAD, sorry. GBP CAD sell. So go ahead, calculate your risks to reward on this and execute with me. It for sleepage is just crazy. Can you imagine where these guys executed me? Sleepage is just crazy. See where this guy is going to execute my order. So guys, we're selling. We're risking 35 pips on GBP CAD. We are selling GBP CAD, risking. Please don't go and put all your money inside one trade, though. Please, okay? 5 minutes for GBP CAD. So good. So wherever you enter from, just put stop loss 35 pips from there. 415. Take profit is 7310. Okay, so this is what my entries look like. Entry 1.73800, that was where I entered. TP 73100, and then my stop loss is at 74150. All right, so this is what my entry looks like on GBP CAD right now. So let's see how the market goes. So let's see how the market goes. So GBP CAD, I mean, for a sell on GBP to the CAD. All right. So let's move. Let's check on AUD CAD. AUD CAD would be a little bit correlated. So jump AUD CAD. Someone saying Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin, guys. Sorry, I don't trade Bitcoin. Somebody can I have my WhatsApp number? Our official line is on all our company flyers. So just check on Instagram. Any number I see there is not my number though, but you can reach us through that number. If there is need for it to have my own personal contact, of course you will. So let's check on USD CHF. Let's see what USD CHF is doing. Let's see what USD to the CHF is doing. I lost some money on USD CHF. That was last week or the last 2 weeks or so. So on a daily time frame, sorry guys, I think there's one of my execution that I've not put stop loss. One minute, guys, please. I think let me put my coordinates here. Let me put my entries and exits on this trade. 74150. 74150. 73100. Okay. Adjust it. All right. So you back to USD CHF. Let's see what's happening on USD CHF. So on a daily time frame perspective on USD CHF, okay, I'm seeing something very weird now. I'm a bit. This is a kind of typical trap. This is a trap setup. Because on a long-term swinging perspective, you might be interested in going for a sell, but on a short term, looking like it's going to buy. Let me no, this is not my typical kind of setup. My zones of interest are a bit far, so there's nothing much to see on USD CHF though. Going by my strategy, there's nothing much to see on USD CHF. So for now, we'll just avoid USD to the CHF. We'll just avoid USD CHF. Okay. Which other currency pairs are you guys mentioning? So what's the SL for GBP CAD? GBP CAD, my SL is at 1.74150. 1.74150. That's my SL on GBP CAD. All right. Somebody's saying GBP USD will buy 24 pips from where it is. Okay. Let me check how many pips from here. I think this guy wants to do from this 24 pips, okay, to this. That's like almost 30 pips though. But I'm not interested in buying GBP USD right now, like I already mentioned. Until the market gets to this level, then I might be interested. But for now, my major interest on GBP USD still favors a sell. All right. But the price action, like I told you guys, is not adding up because I'm expecting a red candle. If this red candle, until a red candle like this shows up, I'm not interested. Until the red candle like this shows up on GBP USD, then I'll be going for a sell. But for now, if you're buying, I mean that looks cool. All right. Euro NZD. Let me check on Euro NZD. Let's see what's happening on Euro NZD. Somebody saying I have a question. Go ahead, ask your question. Go ahead, ask your question. Somebody saying, how do I join your Instagram channel? Just go on Instagram, type tradewave_HQ. That's all. Voila. So you guys should how do you guys think we should do the giveaway? I want to give away 100,000. So I'm thinking maybe 5 people, 20K each, or should I just do a post and don't just select randomly? What do you guys think? What do you guys think, Sha? Let me know what you guys think. I'm doing a giveaway because I promise you guys a giveaway when we hit 100 people on our live training session. So let me know what you guys think. How you guys think we should do the giveaway? 20K for 5 people, or 50K for 2 people, 100K for one person. Euro NZD, Euro NZD. So Euro NZD is a bit confusing right now, and no. This is a no-go area for me because the liquidity blocks I'm seeing are a bit too tight and they're a bit too close to each other, which is a very lucrative area for liquidity grab. So maybe I might be interested in this one here. Maybe, just maybe, I might be interested in this one over here. I might be interested in this one over here, this level. So for now, I'm not doing anything on Euro NZD. I'll just be watching to see how the market behaves around this level before I do anything on this chart. Okay. Somebody, okay, so prop firm giveaway. Not everybody can trade now. What if you give somebody a prop firm, 5K prop firm, and they don't know how to trade it? So I prefer to give cash. That's my best form of giveaway. I prefer to give cash. You do whatever you want to do with it. Because you can give somebody a prop firm and they now go and blow the prop firm. So I mean, how did you help them? All right. So let's randomly ask a question. 20K for 5 people, 20K for 5, 10K for 10 people, maybe a quick challenge. Nigerian money, US money. 10K, 20K, 10K, 20K for 5 people. Somebody asking, 10K in naira, not did they all give out 100,000 in dollars as giveaway, bro? You guys will hear about it. You'll hear about it on NTA. You hear about it on Channels TV. Now, guys, we're still giving away in naira. Okay. 20K for 5 people. Okay, let's do 20K for 5 people. I think it makes more sense. So how do we do now? So should I make a post after this? Okay, do you know what happened? Now I'm going to make an Instagram post on, it's just a random post, maybe a picture or anything on Instagram, and all you need to do is just to comment. Now we're going to pick randomly, apps randomly. Don't send me DM. Please don't send me any DM. Let me. I think we're actually done. We only have like one trade today. Let me see how it's doing. Let me see how our GBP CAD trade is doing. Okay, so the market is pushing a little bit down. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, but however, I'm very hopeful that this trade goes very well. Okay, so let me minimize the screen so we can discuss the giveaway. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just make a random post on Instagram. All you need to do is just to comment. Okay, we'll just pick randomly. Please don't send me DM. You understand? I get DM, especially on my personal page. You get people like almost on a daily basis coming to ask for money or something. Like, please don't just add yourself to that list. Seriously speaking, I know you feel like you guys don't think we have anything to do with money again. The money is too much. You're looking for what to dash. It's not really true. Okay, I have a lot of projects that are like swallowing in millions. You understand? So you might be looking for 5,000 naira, and it looks like, I mean, it's life and death for you. I might be looking out for 100 million, and to me it is life and death. You understand? So the same way you're desperately in need of 5,000, I'm desperately in need of 100 million or 20 million or 10 million. So that same desperation is the same thing I'm feeling too. So don't feel like I'll get to a point where you guys are just looking for money to throw away. I've not gotten to that level. When I get there, I'll tell you, but I'm not there yet. So please don't come to my DM and ask me money. Just follow the giveaway. If you're lucky enough, you get it. If you're not, somebody is saying thank you for 10. My guy is saying thank you for 10 so that many people will benefit. This time, guy is saying thank you. It's like he wants to add money to this bulk. Okay, somebody said I should do it here. All right. So since you guys are here, Instagram. Okay, guys, let's just do this here. We're already done with today's live session. We have like 10 minutes to go. So let's just do it here. So what would I do now? What will I do? There are not many questions I can ask. Okay, do you know what happened now? This one is fastest finger. So I'll just randomly select 10 people right now. It's just that how will I now validate that is you? That's the problem. Guys, let's just do this on Instagram. Please. let's do this on Instagram, because even if I select your name, what if somebody else comes at the back and says the person is him? I mean, how do we do it? So it needs to be on Instagram so that we can send you a DM, or you can send us a DM. We verify that is you that qualified for the giveaway. So let's do it on Instagram. You understand? So sorry guys, I really wish we could do this on YouTube, but let's do it on Instagram. Okay. So after now, I'll just make a random post. It's going to be a random post. It won't even look like a giveaway post. All you need to do is just comment, because you're coming from this YouTube live. You know that that's what's happening. Okay. I'm not going to mention that we're giving away on the comment section. I'm just going to make a random post. It might be a video, or it might be just a regular post. You just need to comment. Any casual comment. You don't need to tell me giveaway or give me, just anything. You understand? You can just say good things about TradeWave. Anything at all. Okay, just say anything. We'll randomly select 5 people. Let's do 20K 5 people. 20K 5 people, and then we'll send you, or we'll ask you to send us DM, and then we'll credit you today. So I'm making that post like 5 minutes after we're done with that live session. So wait for that post and get ready to comment. So the Instagram page is at TradeWave, HQ, TradeWave underscore HQ, TradeWave underscore. Why is this typing in? Good. So that's the page, TradeWave underscore HQ. So follow us right now so you see that post once I make it. Okay. So that said, I think we're done with today's live trading session. Let's check on our trades. Let me see whether I can give you guys one more setup. Okay, the market is back to break even. I know when the market was giving that long blue candle, a lot of you were afraid. Here, is this going to sell? Relax. Let's see how the trade plays out anyway. So let's check on which other. I have some setups. Let me share with you. Okay, CAD CHF. I didn't enter CAD CHF again. I was expecting a sell somewhere around this level, but that didn't happen. NZD CAD. Let me see. NZD CAD. I have a trade on NZD CAD. Let me give you guys the entry. The market came. I mean, see this silly stuff that happened on NZD CAD. That was yesterday. See what this market did. The market just came just one peep to get to my entry. The market broke down, didn't get to my entry, and gave us almost 1:1.6 there about, and the market is back here still on profits. But I'm still very much positive that this level is still very much valid. So let me just type the entries for you on the chart. NZD CAD sell limit entry is at 0.83470. SL is at 0.83670, and TP2. This is TP2, not TP1. TP1 is 1:1. That's our usual TP1. Then TP2 is at 0.83070, 83470, 83670, 83070. Good. So this is NZD. This is it. Good. So this is the entry on NZD CAD sell limit. Okay, sell limit. Sell limit NZD CAD. So far so good. We have two trade setups. We have NZD CAD. So far so good on this live training session. I'm giving you guys NZD CAD, which is a sell limit order, a pending order, and GBP CAD, which is an instant execution. So let's wait and see how these trading setups play out. We're wishing, we're praying, we're hoping for the very best on both. Okay, we're back on maybe 1 pip on profit on GBP CAD. Let's see whether the market drops just as predicted. All right. So I'll send follow-up on this trade on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, please go ahead. On Telegram at TradeWave NG. TradeWave NG behind it. That's all. on Instagram. You join our live, our Instagram channel. Let me just type it here. Join us on Instagram. Yes. All right, so that's our Telegram username. So join us on Telegram. I'll send a feedback on how the trade ends on Telegram. Okay. So somebody's you guys are still saying thank you for 10 people. Okay, do you know what happened? Because I really don't want to give thank you. I want to give 20K and above. Do you know what happened? Let's give out 150,000. So we're giving 150,000. We're doing 20K for 7 people and 10K for 1 person. Did you guys hear that? So I'm going to give out 150,000 naira. 20,000 naira for 7 people and 10,000 naira for 1 person. So we're selecting 8 people. 8 people are going to win, because I know some people want the people saying that thank you for them. It's just so that more people will win, right? So we're giving 150,000 naira now, 20,000 naira for 7 people and 10,000 naira for 1 person. So if you're not so lucky to be the person winning 10,000 naira, better luck next time. All right. So that said, I love you guys. So I'm making the post right now. So you guys should go on Instagram and literally wait, because we're going to pick the first 10 comments. Okay. First 10 comments. You're getting 20,000 naira. Then the last person, the 8 comments, gets 10,000 naira. All right. So that said, I love you guys so much. Okay. Somebody's asking a question. He said, I noticed that you always place trade at liquidity level. Do you enter when it's grabbed, or you just place at liquidity? Yes, the idea, most times, if you're placing a trade at liquidity level, you want to enter at the best possible point where the liquidity has been sufficiently grabbed. Now, the reason why a lot of people lose money is that they place their stop loss at liquidity levels instead of placing their entries at liquidity levels. So I want to be entering at liquidity levels. So if you're going to wait for a confirmation at a liquidity level, you might be entering late when the market has already grabbed and is already, because when the liquidity is sufficiently grabbed, the movement is very swift. You understand? It moves quite fast. The market grabs liquidity and then tumbles maybe up or down depending on where it's grabbing the liquidity from. So I don't want to enter late. I want to enter at the best possible point. So that's why I place pending orders there. All right. So guys, see you guys on Instagram shortly. So love you guys. Catch you guys on Instagram in 2 minutes. Cheers, everyone. Have a wonderful time trading. Wait, don't go yet. Somebody said I'll add 50. You see why I call him my Oga? My Oga said he will add 50K so that 10 people can get 20K. I beg. Who they do me like Oga? Mr. Oko Emmanuel, thank you so much. Thank you. For those of you that don't know, Mr. Oko Emmanuel is a very senior person in the Nigerian police force. Very senior man. So he's adding another 50K. So, bro, man, you guys should really thank Mr. Emmanuel. Thank you. So 200K, 20K for 10 people. See you guys on Instagram. Let's go. So I'm going to pin Mr. Emmanuel also on the posts. Okay, I'm going to pin him on Instagram, guys, so you guys can give me a shout out too. All right. So love you guys. Have a wonderful time trading. See you guys. Goodbye.